All right, Chip, ready?
Punch it.
All right. We got to the trailhead just after 7 a.m., quickly packed our bags, put on our hiking boots, and hit the trail to summit Mount Eisenhower first.
So we're starting early, just before 7 a.m. and we are doing Mount Eisenhower and Mount Franklin. Should be probably just over 8 miles, about 8.5 miles maybe. We're going up Crawford Path, which I think is also called Edwin or Edwards Path. Pretty quiet this morning, only one other truck at the trailhead, and I think they had maybe spent the night in the forest here. It's humid, it's pretty wet, it's gonna be pretty overcast. Started early so we could get it done today. It's supposed to be about 90 even up here later. So we'll see what we get for visibility when we get to the top, but you know, it was a good time to do it, so we're doing it.
Checking off a couple more 4,000 footers. Here we go. When we're hiking, we like to use this electrolyte supplement, add it to at least one of the waters. Has a ton of sodium, no added sugar, which is, a little stevia, I guess, but better than like Gatorade or Powerade or anything like that. You like it? Worst weather in America?
Yeah.
Yikes.
Chip, put your leash on. We're in that.
To the Alpine zone. Welcome to the Alpine zone. Woo!
Yeah. Okay. Boy.
Chip just scared the crap out of us because he was around the corner here and started barking like crazy. Thought it was some kind of animal. Josh starts trying to run on these rocks, trying to get up to him. It was just an Inukshuk. He checked it out. Everything's okay. Woo-wee. How's the hair? Hair check, sweat check, looking fine. Nukshuks are guiding us to the summit of Mount Eisenhower, right? We're gonna do the peak next. 2 in 1 day. Pile of rocks. Snack time. So we're about 3 hours into our hike. We're starting our way back. So we've just done the second peak, Mount Franklin. So we're gonna head back to kind of where we reached the split to go up to Eisenhower and then back and then head down. We're just about 5 miles in. So headed down now. Made it back to the parking lot, a lot more full than when we first started, that's for sure. All right, we just finished our hike. It was just over 5 hours of hiking time, like active hiking time. It took us probably total
5:15 and 9.06 miles.
Yeah, so good amount.
4,571 feet.
And what time is it now?
Probably 17 past 12.
12:17.
So
all that
hours,
done.
Minutes,
yeah, pretty good. Now it's time for some beer and some food.
Yes.
Chip is, per usual, Oh, he's a tired boy. Get some water, Chippy.